Hi, I'm Mark. I'm just want to give a quick review of Saeed's course that I've been following on um, on Facebook and in the private group that I'm part of. It's been a real eye-opener with learning the basics. I'd no experience at all with Forex, and I've been taught how to do support and resistance, risk management. We've looked at moving averages, Fibonacci retracement, all these sort of things are all involved within the course. And it's basically going to be well worth it in the end. It's taking a lot of getting my head round, but I keep going back over the training, retracing the steps back. Then you can post in the group, which is a great support. People comment on your posts and tell you where you're going wrong, where you're not, what you've done right. I just highly recommend it. So please check it out. Thanks very much. Bye bye.